In today's video, we're diving into the optional preview update KB5028254 for Windows 11 version 22H2. While this isn't a mandatory security update, it introduces a variety of fixes and improvements that can enhance your PC experience. If you like getting early updates and smoother performance, this one is worth a look. Starting with the highlights, this update makes brightness settings more accurate, helping display output feel more consistent on many devices. It also fixes issues where audio or display devices would go missing after your PC resumes from sleep, which is a relief for people who've experienced disappearing sound or video hardware. Another fix ensures that the widget's icon remains pinned to the taskbar, so it won't unexpectedly vanish when you didn't expect it. For users on VPNs, especially in wireless mesh networks, the update resolves a problem where there were excessive ARP, address resolution protocol, requests to the network gateway, which could slow network performance. Now let's walk through additional fixes and quality improvements included in this update. The update enhances the handwriting software input panel, the handwriting engine, and the embedded inking control, upgrading them to support GB18030-2022 Conformance Level 2. This helps for users with handwriting or stylus input in certain regions. The Windows notification platform has been improved to reduce unnecessary power usage by the system. The Windows Push Notification Services, WNS, client connection to the cloud has been made more reliable, which should fix missed or delayed app notifications. For hybrid joined devices configured with Cloud Trust and using Windows Hello for Business, this update fixes a sign-in issue when the internet connection was not present. Autopilot policy download reliability has been enhanced for devices that may connect to the network slowly or with initial instability. The Windows Management Instrumentation WMI repository issue that caused installation errors when the device hadn't shut down properly is resolved. There are also fixes for misreporting of CPU L2 cache on certain processors, improved font hinting for parts of the Verdana Pro font family, better resilience for user mode printer drivers being unloaded unexpectedly when printing from multiple queues, corrected behavior in text edit controls for East Asian IMEs in XAML browser controls, improved automatic switch of the Defender firewall profile when changing network types, updated country and operator profile assets, COSE, resolved an abrupt print job stop related to Internet Printing Protocol, IPP, mode switching when using OEM drivers, fixed a WWAN issue where an embedded SIM eSIM dialog repeatedly appeared after restart, addressed a deadlock in IPsec rules for some servers, fixed repeated system restarts caused by MPSSV service crashes, updated the Windows kernel vulnerable driver block list, driver policy.p7b, to include additional drivers that are at risk of bring your own vulnerable driver, BYOVD, attacks, addressed WDAC. Windows Defender Application Control, policy issues around unsigned scripts being audited, fixed a race condition in the FastFat file system driver, and addressed failures of SMB, server message block, I/O, when using LZ77 Huffman compression. Before installing this preview update, a few things you should keep in mind. Because this is an optional, non-security update, it typically won't install automatically. You'll need to go to Settings, Windows Update. Check for updates and select Download and Install when it appears. Make sure your backup is up to date and verify that your drivers, especially display, audio, printer, and network drivers, are current. After installation, test your display brightness settings, wake resume behavior for audio and video devices, widget's pin status on the taskbar, and your VPN's network performance to confirm improvements. If you encounter any odd behavior or dependencies in your workflow, you can choose to uninstall the update or wait for the next full cumulative update later. That's it for our overview of Windows 11 version 22H2 update KB5028254, showing you both improvements and important fixes to system behavior. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows Update breakdowns, tips, and tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.